In July of 2022, our dreams came true on our farm in Dwight, Illinois. We built one wetland, restored another, and then added a prairie for pollinators. Look how it's changed in just 1 year.
Please join us and our partners to see how our family is using farm tile drainage water from our neighbors to create wetlands for hunting and dog training. We invite you to stop by on Thursday, this September 14th from 2 to 6 p.m.
You will be able to tour our 2 wetlands and listen to 2 great speakers talk about upland birds, waterfowl, and their habitat. Plus, a renowned trainer will discuss and demonstrate what goes into choosing and training a great hunting dog.
We'll be grilling up some burgers and brats for a free dinner serving at 5 p.m. Please RSVP so we have enough food and a place at the table for everyone. We can't wait for you to visit Feather Prairie Farm.
See you there.